Hey everyone, Matthew of Mr. Domestic to share with you some new fabric. So let's call this one my August fabric haul. 3 different collections that I got from Art Gallery Fabrics, half yard each. Yes, there's going to be a giveaway, so stay tuned to learn how you can win a fat quarter bundle of one of these. And I'll just go in order. Once again, it's going to be mostly me showing you the fabric with some music. If there's something awesome I want to say, I'm going to say it. But let's get into looking at some awesome sauce fabric now, folks. Come on. Which one? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a tiger, this one. Okay. This one. Boom, 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 boom. I ironed them all upside down so I didn't see the actual print. This is like a first look kind of video too. Anyone who pays attention knows that blue is my favorite. This is gorgeous. What is this called? Flowerette. This is Flowerette by AGF Studio. Ooh, yes. This is gorgeous. So I think that this, I don't think it's a fusion. I think it's a collection from AGF. So let's just get into it and look. Okay, I just have to say this paisley is insane, and I need to design a paisley for one of my collections because I just always love these whenever AGF does them. Wow! All of the fussy cutting in here and green is not a color that I see a lot in fabric, so thumbs up! Thumbs up! This one is called Pacha. I don't know what Pacha means. It's a cool name though. Pacha, 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 Pacha. If you know what Pacha means, put it in the comments because I don't know. But it's cute. Like, oh, I think this is a black and white collection predominantly with some other pops of color, but it's really adorable. I've seen people make stuff with this already. Oh, foxes. Don't know what that is. Bunny, sheep. Okay, let's look at all the fabric. this one's a panel, so I gotta stand up to show it to y'all. Aww. Can y'all see it? That's so cool. Like, this could be a pillow, and then this could be something you fussy cut. You can use this in the center of a quilt. Yeah, that's a really cool thing to have a panel. This next one is Maureen Cracknell. She's one of my friends. It's a holiday, winter, Christmas-esque type of collection. Y'all are going to love this. I've seen pictures of it, but I haven't been able to see all of it, so there might be a little bit more talking in this one. Let's get So funny. So my next collection after this one, the one that's coming out this month, is called Snow Day, and it comes out in October, and it's winter themed. But this is like 3 collections in a row for me where Maureen and I thematically have stuff that go together. Before it was when I did Catch and Release, then she did Enchanted Voyage, Nautical went together. She did a Sun-Kissed one, and I had my Aura one, Sun. It's just really cool whenever I get to easily integrate some of my sister designers' fabrics with mine. So, sidebar, side story, continue. So these are the 3 collections for this whole video. Flowerette, Pacha, and Cozy and Joyful, I think, by Lori and Cracknell. They're all amazing. So if you want to have the chance of winning a Fat Quarter bundle of any of these, just in the comments, like, say hi. Tell me which one you are interested in, and I'll have the names of each in the description below. And then something you would make with it. Basically, just put a comment in there, and if it's a positive comment, it counts. And then I'll pick one, like, in a week or so. I don't know the date. I have to, like, look at a calendar. And last time I gave away 2 bundles, so make sure the higher the volume of comments below, the more I'll give away. So, heck, I might even give away all 3 of these. I am absolutely in love with Art Gallery Fabrics. You'll know that from me going from being their ambassador socialite to a designer, now simultaneously working on my 7th and 8th collection. So I'm honored to share all of this with you. Hopefully you dug them as much as I did. And on that note, keep it positive and keep it safe. Mr. Domestic out. Look at me. Don't I look expensive? Do I look like it? Just like look at it. I can see it. The shimmer. Oh yes, I'm expensive. I'm so expensive.